In this video, we'll walk you through easy and effective steps to restore your audio in just a few minutes. You can see I am not getting any sound and the speaker scroller is also not working. And you may get this no output device is found. Also, you can see you cannot scroll volume and it is already disabled. Also, if you go to Device Manager and check where there's audio device or not. You can see here I do not have audio devices, so I will scan for available hardware. But this does not help me as I am not getting audio devices. To fix this, search for Sound Troubleshoot in search bar and select Find and Fix Problems with Playing Sound option. Then click on Next to start troubleshoot. Just wait for Windows to find the issue. If you get any response, then click on Yes or click on Fix this problem option. At last, restart your computer and try to increase the volume of sound and it should work. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any updates.